If you want to add a tag to a new Mailchimp subscriber, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can organize your audience as you add new contacts. Tags are one of the easiest ways to segment subscribers, track where people came from, and keep your email marketing more organized from day one. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the audience section in the left-hand menu and click it. This is where Mailchimp stores your contacts, subscribers, and audience management tools. From there, choose Add Contacts. This opens the options for bringing in a new subscriber manually or in bulk. Since we're adding just one new subscriber, click Add a Single Contact. This is the fastest way to create a new contact profile without uploading a list or importing a file. After that, click Additional Contact Details so you can see the full contact form and make sure all the fields you need are available. Now start filling in the subscriber details. Enter the person's first and last name if you have them, then type in their email address. Make sure the email is correct because that is the main identifier Mailchimp uses for the contact. Once the basic information is filled in, scroll down through the form until you find the tag section. This is the part most people miss, but it's the key step if you want the new subscriber to be automatically categorized the moment you add them. In the tags field, click the drop-down menu. Mailchimp will show you a list of existing tags you've already created in your audience. Select the tag you want to apply to this contact from the list. If you already use tags like lead, customer, webinar, newsletter, or VIP, this is where you can assign the subscriber to the right group instantly. Choosing the right tag now saves time later and helps you build better segments, automations, and targeted email campaigns. Once the tag is selected and everything else looks correct, click Add Contact. Mailchimp will save the subscriber and apply the tag right away. That means the contact is now added to your audience with the proper label attached, so you can find them later, filter them in segments, or use that tag inside your automations. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a tag to a new Mailchimp subscriber in just a few simple steps. This is a great habit to build if you want cleaner audience management and more effective email marketing from the start. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.